you're pimping. You're ready to go.
Yeah, here we go. So, where are you from?
Oregon.
Florida?
Oregon.
Oh, which country is that? Where is?
USA.
Okay.
USA. Oregon. Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Where?
Bangladesh.
Okay.
Do-
Okay. I gotcha.
Oh, do you know my country?
I'm aware of it, but I've never been there.
Yeah. So, how far your city from Florida?
Oh, very far. Completely on the other side.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
I'm on the west coast.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's not crazy. I'm just saying now. Yeah.
No, it's okay. Look, I have some the friend from Florida. They got really devastating hurricane storm, and by the way, they got really disappointed by the power. They got lost the power, and I was really quite concerned about my friend who are from Florida. Though we speak here in this platform, but we are very close to each other.
Yeah, that's scary.
All right.
And super sad.
Have you ever got such kind of this storm, natural disaster in your city?
Oh no, we don't have that kind of weather here.
Ah, okay, that's cool. That's cool. So no
hurricanes or things like that.
Yeah, okay. But I think it's almost morning time over there, right?
Yes, it is. I guess week hours of the morning. Yes.
But why are you up very early morning?
Well, it's not that early. I would say it's still like late night, but early morning. Like it's just past the into the next day. So normally I would be sleeping, but it's Friday night and.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
What time is it there?
Oh, so it's 2:25 in the noon time, p.m.
Oh, okay.
It's
1:30 in the morning here.
Yeah, it's a vice versa time between you and our. Hello, hey, what did he go? Where did she go? Where did she go? Oh, say hello to who is that? Who is that?
Her name is Kitty Cat.
Oh, okay. Say hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Nice to see you both. She looks okay, she looks like astrologer, like I mean she reads mind because she put on a hat just like a astrologer, anyway.
Well, I'm gonna go back on here, just on here, but I appreciate you and thank you so much for
okay, nice to see. Okay, thank you so much. Nice to see you both, and cheers for now.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Okay, bye.